Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about how to calculate the square root. Let's say if I have number 2 at here. I want to find the square root of number 2. So I know that 2 is equal to 2.00000 blah blah blah. Okay, and then I write this. Because when you want to do the square root, you have to separate it to two digits after the period. Okay. So in this case, I try to write down about 60 after the period. Okay, after the number 2. Okay, the next step is you have to think that which number square equal to 2. No, right? It's no number equal to this except 1. So in this case, 1 square equal to 1 is close to number 2, but it's not equal to 2 because 2 is impossible to have the number square. The integer number, you see, because the 2 square equal to 4 is greater than 2, right? So in this case we just have number 1 only, so we write down the 1 and 1. This is a factor. Okay, this is the result, and I bring the point up. Okay, I mark the point here, and then I write the result, these two numbers times each other, and it becomes the result here. And then I delete number 2 from number 1, so the result is 1, right? And then I mark the point at here, and then I bring the 0 here, downward here. So I have 100 at now, and then I bring this number multiply by 2 and then point here, so I write down number 2 here. Okay, number 2 here, and then I will have to think that which number I have to put in here and put in here as well. At the I will write down the line at here. I have to think that which number. In this case, I think of number 4, right? Number 4, and time each other and not greater than 100. So in this case, I think of number 4. 4 times 4 is 6, right? 4 times 2 is 8, and then I have 1 from 4 times 4 is 16, so I have to add more 1, right? 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 96. So in this case I have 4, and then I bring down to 0 down again to be 400, and then I times 14 at here to become 28. And then I have to think of one number and one number here that would be the same, and then it's not greater than 400. So I think of about number 1 only, because if I think number 2 will become 282 times 2, right? 4 6 1 4 5 is greater than 400. That's impossible. Number 2 is impossible. So in this case I think of 281, and it will become 9 at here, 1 at here, 1 at here, and then I have to bring down the 0 to 0 here until here. So I add two zero at here. Okay, and then I have to think of I have to multiply 2 to 141. It will become 282, right? Okay, I will write down 282, and I have to think of number here that would not affect after the multiplication is not greater than 11900. So in this case I think it should be number 4. Okay, number 4, because if I think number 5, it will become 2825 times 5 5 2 1 41 14 is greater than 11,900, right? That impossible to be 5. So I think of 4. Think of 4 here and write 4 at there. Okay, already. So I will write down here 2824 times 4 446 489 423 48 11. So I have 11 296 and I 10 6 4 9 9 0 8 6. Okay, I think 3 digits is enough. So in this case, square root 2 equal to 1.414 and so on. So you can see that find the square root of number 2 is like this. So I will show you again with number 3. Okay, I will try to show you the number 3. If I want to find the square root of number 3, I will write down the 0 right here, and then right at here 1 is 1, and then after that I got 2 after minus, right? And then I bring 2 0 down here, and then multiply by 1 multiplied by 2 to become 2 and what number that after times this number as is not greater than 200. So I think of 7. Okay, 4 here, 2 14 18. Okay, 18. It will become 1 and bring 2 0 here. You can see bring 2 0 here, and then times this to 34 and what number? In this case I think of 3, right? 339 342 at 1 339 10. Okay, and then here will become 1 927. Okay, it's just here, and then I bring down to 0. So I don't need to bring down to show you again, so I can write it. And what number here should be 173 times 2. It will become 6 4 3 3 4 6. Okay, I have to think of 3 4 6 and what number at here. In this case I think because 3 times 2 is will become 6. That's close enough to 7, right? So in this case I think of 2. Okay, I will write down here 3 4 6. 2 times 2, it will become 4 2 9 6 9 2 4. After subtraction, 6 7 0 1. Okay, and here we go. So we can see that this one is 3 digits is enough. Okay, decimal point 3 digits after decimal point. So square root 3 it will become 1.732 and so on. Okay, you can apply this technique to whatever number. Okay, and I will show you in the next video about how to find the greater number than 2 and 4, 2 and 3, as I show you in this video. So if you have any question about how to find the square root, you can ask me via sutonacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.